This afternoon the fisherman's coming in, he's got over 400 kilos of lobsters. He's caught that 30 miles off Cape Otway, and some of those crays off the big reef you can put a saddle on. The best thing about all this is it's sustainable. Well, I mean, let's be honest, Bass Strait, Antarctica is not far away, no one lives there, no industrial stuff there, and then we're breathing all this lovely air in Apollo Bay. And the taste and the flavour coming out of our ocean, it's just fantastic. I've lived in Apollo Bay since I was 13, and I'm over 75, so to say that, and I'm still here, I haven't shifted. And when you come down, don't throw a shrimp on the barbie, throw a crayfish on the barbie. That's what you need to do. You need to live a bit.